troubleshooting why I'm losing about a gallon of water every day, even when this is not in use. So the idle pressure is about 38 psi when not in use. All three blue lights are on. When using the water, there's about 42 psi going into the unit. Stop. Now it shows about 43 psi, and stopping the drain. Drainage is looks like residual. So now at idle it is 42 psi. But this tank is draining down quick when I leave it idle and on. Let's try turning it on again. .42 psi. Turn it off. So about 40, averaging about 43 psi going in.